Judge in the Ray Tenzing retrial won't be releasing juror questionnaires until after the trial is over. But in her courtroom so far, it's been less about the substance of the trial and more about her rift with the media. Local 12's Anjanette Levy is at the courthouse tonight with why one lawyer says the judge is making things tougher than she may need to. Anjanette.
Yeah, Rob, that is what one lawyer told us tonight. Those questionnaires that the judge is withholding contain a lot of valuable information that we use to tell you about the jurors on that trial. It'll tell us about their interests, backgrounds, and possible biases. We are currently challenging Judge Ghiz's decision to withhold those questionnaires until the end of the trial. Judge Ghiz says she doesn't believe that the media needs to see those at this point.
This is a court of law, and I think the media has forgotten that.
Judge Leslie Ghiz taking time out of jury selection to lecture the media. Media outlets have challenged restrictions she placed on them, including the unusual step of limiting the number of reporters allowed in the courtroom.
I'm done with being on my soapbox for right now, but I am telling you, the one step out of line, that's the end of it. I'm at the end of my rope with the media and with the cameras and with the videotaping.
Local 12 wants to cover this trial as it would any other by interviewing family members and other players outside of the courtroom, something Ghiz has barred. Judge Ghiz is also refusing to release juror questionnaires.
The only reason it's there is to sell papers and have people click their websites. I have no interest in it at this point.
Donetta Bailey of the Black Lawyers Association disagrees. She says the information in the questionnaires is important to the coverage of the trial.
What is the reason to withhold the jury questionnaire responses? You don't have to reveal their names. You don't have to reveal anything that identifies them. So what is the reason to withhold the questionnaire responses until the end? Why not have full transparency throughout the entire process?
Judge Ghiz has said she doesn't want jurors identified. Local 12 doesn't do that. Also in court, Tenzing's attorney joined the state in asking for a change of venue. Stu Matthews says Tenzing can't get a fair trial in the death of Sam DuBose.
The proceeding has been a resurrection of the shuttered Ringling Brothers Farm and Daily Circus.
Judge Ghiz hasn't ruled on the motion to move the trial yet. Bailey believes it's too early for the request.
And I feel like it's premature for anyone to say they want to change a venue at this point when we can't even move forward with the jury selection process to see whether or not we can seat a fair and impartial jury.
Ray Tenzing's attorney Stu Matthews said today he believes that the jury pool is poisoned. He wants the trial moved. He wants the case dismissed. Judge Ghiz did not dismiss the charges against Ray Tenzing. There are still 107 jurors in the jury pool. Now today there was a moment that was not captured on camera that we wanted to tell you about. Ray Tenzing's mother went over to Sam DuBose's mother during a recess in the courtroom. She was crying and she told her that she was sorry, and the two mothers embraced one another. Reporting live at the Hamilton County Courthouse, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News. Rob, back to you.
Anjanette, thanks very much. To be clear, Local 12 does not photograph jurors, nor do we identify them. Questionnaires were released after the first trial. No juror was ever identified here. Jury selection resumes Monday morning.